Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Grinding noises from your coffee grinder usually mean it's clogged or the burrs are dull. Beans can get stuck, causing strain and loud sounds. To fix it, unplug the grinder, remove leftover grounds, and clean the burrs with a brush. If noises continue, check for damaged parts or replace the burrs. Regular cleaning keeps your grinder quiet and your coffee fresh.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.